Are you craving sausages but you dread the messy cleanup of pan frying? This modern sheet pan method delivers effortless and perfectly cooked sausages with zero mess. Greetings everyone and welcome back to our family. I'm using thin beef sausages for this recipe, however, you can use any sausages of your choice. I preheat the oven, oil my baking dish and place the sausages on it. Since these are a lot of sausages, I don't want to be standing for a long time pan frying them and then cleaning up afterwards. I'm using 2 baking dishes so that I can cook them all at once. Use a larger tray to avoid overcrowding. I bake them at 180 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes, flipping them halfway through. If your sausages are well spread out on the tray, cook them for 20 minutes, flipping them at the 10-minute mark. Mine took a little longer because the sausages are closely packed together and I'm using 2 baking dishes. The sausages in the top dish are ready, so I remove them and move the bottom dish to the top. Then I give it 5 more minutes before removing it. The sausages in the second dish are also done, and just like that, our sausages are done. They are perfectly cooked. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and for simple recipes, remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new recipe uploads. Thanks for watching and bye for now.